Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to jump right into it and tell you about something that is absolutely phenomenal, okay? It is going to help you take your business to the next level. This is for internet marketers. This is for anybody who has a small business and they're trying to get the word out. They're trying to get eyeballs on their offer. This is hot. This is something you definitely need to know about. Now, SMS Lead Network is new. You guys know from looking at previous videos on my channel, I am into texting to make money. All right. I love the internet, but what I also know is that times are changing in terms of emailing people. People do not open their emails like they used to, like back in the olden days. Okay? You're lucky if you get between a 1.5, 2.5, 2.5% open rate. Okay? That's small, that's tiny, folks. But I tell you one thing, people are always on their phone. They're always picking it up. They're taking it to the bathroom with them. They're putting it in the bed with them. They're laying on the couch with it. People always have their phone, and you best believe you can get people's attention on their phone. So the SMS Lead Network helps you do all of that. It is a bulk texting program. Phenomenal. I can't say enough good about it. And so I'm just going to take you briefly through why the SMS Lead Network is something you need to have in your arsenal if you are marketing products, if you're marketing products online, if you're marketing products offline, services, all of that. Okay? This service is great. It is great for the small business owner, for the chiropractor, for the dentist, for the barber, for the wig maker. All of these people need it. Now, let's talk about it. Made a little map here for you all to see. And move me up here. Okay. So, let's talk about some of the features of the SMS Lead Network. Number one that I really like is that you can bulk text on it. Okay, so you can bulk text and you can send text, folks, for less than a penny per text. For less than a penny per text. So let's just say if you wanted to send out 1,000 texts, it would cost you only $7.75. Where can you get that kind of reach? Right on somebody's captive audience, their phone. $7.75, you can touch 1,000 phones. Yes, you can. You can send more than 1,000 texts at a time. You may want to send 1,000. You may want to send 2,000, okay, in a day. You can do it. You can do it. So next, let's talk about what I really love about it. What I really love is there are no monthly fees. No monthly fees. We all hate monthly fees. You know, we got enough bills in our life. There are no monthly fees with this. So how does that work? The only fee that you would have, okay, is $1 per month for a phone number. And you get the phone number through Twilio. So SMS Lead Network doesn't even do that. Okay? It goes through Twilio, which works in conjunction with SMS Lead Network. It's a seamless process, folks. So next, what do I want to talk about? You can create separate group campaigns. Now, some of you guys have multiple businesses. You know, you might be a printer and you do some online marketing too. Well, you can have separate groups and market to both of those groups. Easy peasy. When you get the system, folks, you get 10,000 fresh leads. You get 10,000 fresh leads with the system. And capture pages. All right? It's already set up for you. You don't have to worry. You don't have to figure that out. Some of y'all not good with that. You ain't got to do it. Okay? Don't have to do it. It's already set up. And I'll show you in a minute. You get a autoresponder. It automatically responds to people. Now, of course, that's about the SMS lead network that is going to send emails to those folks who have come by. But, you know, that's a phenomenal value. Or you could use your own if you want. If you so choose, you can use your own. No problem. Recipients can text back. Great feature. Phenomenal feature. And what's really beautiful is you get paid. You get paid when referring this. Look, guys, there's nothing like this out on the market. Everybody needs something like this in their arsenal. Mobile is not going away. Everybody has a cell phone. Even little kids have a cell phone. It's not going away. So you might as well learn how to market via mobile devices. Okay? Now, in promoting this, because everybody's going to want this, you get paid. How much? Well, the system, guys, costs this. It's going to cost you $197. That's right, $197. But there are no monthly fees ever. Okay, so that's one-time fee. You're going to pay $97 to the admin. You're going to pay $100 to your sponsor. That's it. So that means when you refer people and they say, oh, this is great, I need this in my business to help me advance, and they purchase, you're going to make $100 a pop. $100 a pop. $100 per referral. And lastly, the system has a reverse one-up. So what does that mean? How does that work? Your first sale, that $100 is going to go to you. Your second sale, you're going to pass up to your sponsor, right? You're going to pass that up to your sponsor. Your third sale and every sale thereafter, the third sale and every sale thereafter, you get $100. So I'm going to tell you this is a great thing, because that means as you bring people in, they have to do the same thing. What does that mean? There's a residual money-making component for you. Who doesn't like to get instant cash and residual cash where you did something one time and you getting paid over and over? So this is hot. You're going to want to jump on this. You can promote any business with it. You can promote all your businesses with it for cheap. Why not you? Why not now? Let's get you started. The link will be in the description box. And in addition, you join with me, I have a bonus worth $497, folks. And what all does that bonus have? What all does it have? Okay? It is going to teach you lead generation, how to follow up, texting methods and strategies. You're going to get audiobooks, right? Over 170 audiobooks. YouTube marketing. It's going to teach you these things. It's all set up for you when you join with me. So, again, the link to get started will be in the description box. Let's get you started. This is an awesome system. One last thing. So I sent out a text today, right? Look, I sent out 1,000 texts. I got 124 views. You don't get that in email marketing, folks. I got 4 people going through the system, have raised their hand, and are looking at the system. Let's get you started. Why not you? Why not now? The link is going to be in the description box. Take care. Bye-bye.